she might be busy with work, so I didn't want to disturb her. However, I accidentally saw her hanging out somewhere with her friends. I didn't say hello, I just walked away. Each time I overthink, I start to worry that she might cheat on me soon. I fear that our precious relationship could be ruined. But I also know that everyone needs their own private space. I love her the most, and if she breaks my heart, it would be devastating. Days and nights are just passing by, and I really want her to be with me. I hope everyone values my efforts and sees how much I care. I love her the most, and if she breaks my heart, it would be devastating.